Brianna. Today's video I'm sharing with you how to get a lot done. Whether you are a student, a mom, working in an office, working at home, whatever your role might be, we all know that procrastination can get in the way sometimes of us being highly efficient and getting done what we need to get done and being the boss that we can be. So as a wife, a mom, an entrepreneur, a homeowner, all of the things that I have to take care of, I need to get a lot done every single day to be the best version of myself. So I'm going to share how I do all of the things in this video. I've got 5 hacks for you. Hack number 1, put the phone away, stick it in a drawer, don't look at it. It's going to sit in there until you get everything you need to get done, because you should focus solely on the one thing, the task at hand that you need to get done in that moment, and put any kind of technology or distractions to the side. So this is my personal way of keeping track of everything I need to get done. I have sheets of paper that say today, tomorrow, this week, this month, this year, next year. These 6 sheets of paper, and I have them on the bulletin board behind me so that I can always look at them and reference them. But then I will do a brain dump. So whether it's starting off my week or even the middle of the week, if more things get added onto my plate after checking emails or talking to friends and family or just things that can happen in a home, I brain dump everything I need to do on these little post-it notes. And then I can put the post-it notes based on priority of when deadlines are, or something that needs to get taken care of immediately is going to go on my today sheet of paper. And then I kind of prioritize accordingly. So the things that could get done tomorrow or later on in the week. And I like using the post-its because sometimes, especially if you have children or other family members that you're taking care of, you might need to switch some of those post-its around when a more important priority comes along. So that's why I like using the post-its, so that I can rearrange things. And if I have a super efficient day and I get done a little bit earlier, I can look at some of the post-its on tomorrow, this week, this month, and see if there's anything that I can knock out and get done and be more efficient. Tip number 3 to get things done is blocks of time on your calendar. Try to do your work in batches. So anything that is similar, do it all in one sitting, because if you try to divide it up over days of the week, oftentimes that makes you way less efficient and a lot harder to actually get the task done. So for example, if I have 3 videos to film in a week, I will try to film all of those videos on the same day and batch my work. Now this doesn't mean that you don't take a break. I really do like the Pomodoro technique, which is 25 minutes of working and a 5-minute break. And I think it's really important if you are sitting at a desk, if that's what a lot of your work is sitting down, to use those 5 minutes to get up, stand up, stretch, get something to drink, get a snack, whatever it is you kind of need, a bio break, as we used to say when I was a teacher. Use those 5 minutes so that you can come back, and it's sort of a nice way to recharge and keep your metabolism up so that you're not sitting stagnant in a chair all day. Hack number 4, tackle what you dislike the most first, or what the biggest rock is, or what the biggest challenge is facing you. That's when you're going to have the most energy at the start of your day to get through the hard stuff. And then the tasks that you enjoy, or that might be easier or faster or quicker, are a lot easier to do later on in the afternoon when your energy has dipped, because they're easier or you find more joy in doing them. That's why I personally always enjoy editing my videos last thing at night. It is my favorite thing to do, to edit videos. So even though I might have had a really long, tiring day, I still am able to muster up that energy because I really enjoy editing. All right, hack number 5 to get things done is to delegate. And this in business, outsourcing, hiring somebody else to your team. I think the post-it note system that I shared earlier is a great way to do this with a partner. Maybe each of you use different color post-it notes and know this is what you're gonna do around the house this week. These are the things I'm doing around the house this week. If you're working at home though and maybe don't have the funds, maybe you trade off with a friend or a family member saying, hey, you can take the kiddos this week on Tuesday. I'm gonna take the kiddos next week on Tuesday, so that you can run all of your errands and get things done, and then I'm able to get things done. Or using a site, I've used care.com in the past for things like help with laundry or help just with shipping out some of my merchandise for my Etsy store. So definitely look for both the free, and maybe it might cost you a little bit, but there's nothing better than delegating tasks and getting that time back so that you maintain your energy and have the ability to be as productive as possible every single day. All right, so those are my 5 hacks for how I get things done. I hope that they help you. And if there's any other topics that you would like for me to cover along these lines on my channel, leave your ideas in the comments down below. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe and join all the fun that's going on in 2019. Have a great rest of your day. Go be a boss, go be productive, don't procrastinate. Bye, loves. And please check out some of my other videos here and make sure you subscribe if you're new. Bye, loves.